Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LuvNailsNicole. And a few days ago I posted a video asking if you guys would like to see me using gel polish on my nails or regular nail polish on my nails. And I took a couple days before anyone commented it, but I think one person commented it, which is one of my true subbies who watches like every video I post. Thank you. She suggested regular nail polish, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that with two polishes I have not used yet, which are the L.A.Colors Color Craze Sheer Magic. What the heck is this on my thumbnail? Oh, this would be cheese. I was eating cheese balls before I recorded. Okay. Sheer Magic and Sheer Frost. So it's supposed to be like a tint, I think. So I'm going to try that out. I wanted to do like something different, like have like a stripe on the nail or a couple stripes. I'm not sure. Y'all know I'm never decided. I just go with the flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these just to see how sheer they are, if it would even show if I used my if I use these stripe vinyls. So we'll see. I might just do one accent nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I don't know if I want to do like blue, purple, or do I want to do one blue hand, one purple hand. I think I'll do one blue, one purple. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get started. Start off with the purple, the Sheer Magic. I was really excited to see these when I found them. They were at Dollar Tree. Yes, I've got my Tim Hortons coffee here. I love iced coffee. This is caramel iced coffee. It's like the perfect thing for doing nails in the evening. And having to edit just, you know, helps me stay woke. All right. Oh yeah, it's very sheer. Very sheer, but very pretty too. So I'll probably do 2 coats. So I'm thinking this, since it's so sheer, it's not gonna look good using the striped vinyls because you won't even see the lines if I do. Starting the blue, I did, as you see, one thumb blue. I'm gonna do this thumb purple just to be different. It's just me. I like to have some fun nails. I really am liking the sheer. The purple is super pretty. See how this blue turns out. Seems to be a bit brighter than the purple, so I hope it doesn't look weird. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do 2, but this is what the purple 1 coat looks like so far. So pretty. This blue doesn't seem to, oh shoot, I forgot I broke this nail on the side. I actually just did it, so that's why I didn't fix it. I was already setting up to tape and I broke the side of my nail. This one's more streakier and this one came out nice and smooth. See how streaky that one is? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do coat 2 of the purple. The purple is done and I'm loving it. So pretty. The blue, I've only did the one, oh shoot, the one coat. And like I said, it looks super streaky. It's not as smooth as the purple. Try to shake it up, see if that'll help. Alright, go ahead and try this second coat. I keep forgetting to do this thumb. I gotta remember that. Okay, let's see if we can get this looking better. Guys, oh my gosh, this blue, the reason I put it on that time lapse is because I was trying to take my time and go slow and like do as many coats as I needed to do, and I knew it was going to take a while, so I ended up doing at least 4 coats, y'all. The purple nail, I think I only did 2 coats, but one nail I may have had to do 3, but mostly 2 with the purple. Like, I'm doing my second coat of purple on my thumb and I'm just getting it everywhere. But yeah, the purple was so much better, but the blue, like, I just didn't want to keep doing coat after coat after coat because it was, you know, getting thicker. Yeah, so here's the blue, and you can see, like, it's all over me. I know I have to clean it up, but I don't know, can you guys see how chunky it turned out, and it's still streaky? Like, see how smooth? The purple is just nice and smooth. Then you get to the blue, nice and chunky and streaky. So this is my favorite. I love this. It turned out really, really pretty. Loving it. And the blue is a really pretty blue color. I love the color. Just, I don't know if I got a bad batch of that polish or what happened. Oh, I think I have another one too. I'll have to see if I have another bottle of the same color and test that one out. So I'm thinking what I want to do is put a light coat of holographic top coat over it just to cover up some of the streakiness. But I'm looking over here on my little polish carousel because I don't want it to be like super covered up. So I think I'm going to do this. It's time for me to get a refill of this too. But this is the Northern Lights Hollow Silver Top Coat. This is just like my favorite go-to when I want to just do a top coat, a slight, really light top coat of holographic silver on top. This is what I like to use. I don't know. I think I do have something that's really light other than this one. I don't have very much of this. Because I'm looking at this one. I think this one goes on. This one is Shine On Crazy. Let's see how light this one looks. This is Orally Shine On Crazy Diamond. Let's see if this one won't be too much. I think, oh yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. So I just want to cover up these streaky streaks. Shoot, smudge that and fix it so it can be drying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Went right under the lid. It's blue all over it. Oh. Darn it. I had to fix this one now, y'all. I'm such a mess when it comes to polishing my nails. Such a mess. I'll just have to go over it with some more sparkle. I don't see me wearing this long because I don't like the blue. I think I smudged it again. Lord have mercy. I have to clean up. You know what? I'm not gonna do it yet because I know I'm gonna smudge my nails. So, all in all, love this hand. Looks so pretty. I'm loving the top coat on it. Can y'all see the sparkle? Beautiful. And then this is this hand that I have to clean up around it. I know it looks crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Seche Vite top coat because I am smudging away here. So I'm all done. So again, I use the L.A.COLORS Color Craze from Dollar Tree. Sheer Frost and Sheer Magic. They are the L.A.COLORS jelly tints, I would call them, but they're just calling them sheer. I used my Seche Vite to dry them. Oh, my sparkle is Orally, if you guys can see, it's Orally Shine On Crazy Diamond. So pretty. It was a perfect light top coat next to the Northern Lights, so I'm glad of that because like I said, I don't have very much of this one left, so I have to put that on order for sure. And so I cleaned them off just a little bit. I wanted them to get dry. As y'all saw, I put them under my little fan. That little fan is USB chargeable, and I got that off of Amazon, but I recently seen some in Target that were round and a bit bigger that are also USB, much bigger than that one, but I got that off of Amazon and I love it. Yeah, I'm just gonna top it off now with my Sassy Plus Chic floral infused cuticle oil. This is also from Dollar Tree. So I mostly used all Dollar Tree products except for these two guys. And I really like this cuticle oil lately too. So I'm just gonna slap it around the edges. I do still have to clean up a bit around my edges, but I just wanted them to get totally dry because I'm so clumsy. I'm always smudging and smashing into my nails. So the little bit of acetone I use to clean up a couple of them, it just makes my skin turn immediately like dry. So I just want to hurry up and put this on, and then I'll still clean up after and just apply some more. All right. Rub it in, rub it in. Yeah, this stuff is great. It's actually really oily. All right, then a little lotion. This is the hand cream from Bath and Body Works, Shea Butter. It is amazing and it smells so good. Whoops, yeah, I crashed into something. I hope I didn't ding my nail up. Ah, crashing something again. Let me scoot all the way back. Okay. I'm clumsy. Are any of you guys clumsy out there? My husband can tell you I'm super clumsy. Like, it's almost not a day goes by that I don't do something so clumsy and just like a 1 in a million. Like, who would do that? Only me. Only me. Alright, so yeah, I'm all done. I must say, I really love the sheer. I don't love the blue. Like I say, it could just be one that I got. but I wish I would have got, like they had, I think I showed y'all a video, walk around the Dollar Tree with me video, down the college child video. Just like when COVID started, I showed in that video the different colors that they had. If I remember, I'll link that, leave a link to that video either in the description box or in the comments, so you guys can go watch that one and see the collection of these that I found if you guys are interested, so you'll know what it looks like and what colors they had. So yeah, this is how they turned out. This is my favorite hand. I could just cover up this blue one. But I did a opposite thumbnail, just a little fun while I'm texting. And yeah, that's it. I mean, all in all, pretty cute. Alright, so that's it, you guys. Thank y'all, of course, as always, so much for watching. Ooh, see, I almost spilled the cuticle oil. Clumsy. Thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. I'm on my way to 1K. Almost, but not close, but close. I think I'm at 958 or something like that. So I'm getting there. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, because I am going to do a 1K giveaway. Like I said, I may do one before 1K. So if you guys want to enter that, you need to be subscribed. Turn the notification bell on so you guys will know when my next video comes up. And you can enter that giveaway also. And give this video a thumbs up. And I just got my nail caught in the freaking... Let me get off of here. All right. Bye, y'all. Bye.